Junkyard Junkie back here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about wiper blades. You need them for visibility, and it's very easy to change. It's something you can do on your own and feel proud of yourself for doing. Today we'll be talking about the most common wiper blade there is, the hook slot wiper blade. To remove this wiper blade, all you have to do is lift this arm all the way up. Okay, so all we're going to do is turn it to the sky. It's got a little tab right here, some do, some don't. We're just going to push that tab outwards. Push down, go around it, go up. Okay, so at this point, if you have just a replacement part, same fitting, all you do is make sure the round piece is facing up. Go down, round, you'll hear it click in there, you fold it down, put it back down. We're going to be installing Rain-X today, so pull that back out, push down, just like that. Okay, same for the driver's side, just lift up. Okay, just like the other side, we're just going to flip it up, push it outwards, down, come up and around. Okay, so at this point you want to make sure you have your new wiper blades for this 2010 Mazda CX-7. It takes a 16-inch on the passenger side and a 26-inch on the driver's side. Also, while we got it apart, before you put the new wiper blades on, it's a good idea to go ahead and clean your windshield. That way old debris and old junk don't get on the new wiper blades themselves. So now I'll be showing you how to install these Rain-X wiper blades. They actually made it really easy. As you can see by the writing, remove this cover first. So what I'm going to do, slide it right off. This is the 16-inch side, which will go on the passenger side. First thing you're going to do is right here on the Rain-X wiper blade, there's a little latch. What you're going to do is pull it up, or it's open, like that. Okay. Okay, so all you're going to do is take where you have that latch open, we'll slide it on there until you hear it click, just like that. Close this tab and make sure it clicks, just like that. Just like before, we're going to take this yellow piece, right here, slide it, it'll come off the other end, just pull, it'll just come right on off. This is the 26-inch side, so it'll go on the driver's side. Also, just like before, we got this little piece right here. And you can take a quarter and pop it up if you need to, but usually it's pretty easy just like that. Okay, just like before, have that facing up. Go in all the way, push that down, and hear the click. Okay, so now we're just going to lay them down. So just take them, put them down. Okay, so for the last step of the Rain-X install, you want to apply their Rain-X technology onto your windshield. So they tell you to put it on medium speed and let it go for about 2 minutes. So turn the car on, we'll put it to medium. We're going to let this go for 2 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, now that it's been going for about 2 minutes, we're going to turn on our windshield wiper fluid. And that looks good. You want to see it bead up, and it's beading up and it's doing its job. Okay guys, if you found the video helpful, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.